Hello, welcome to the Mark Janot Show, the cybersecurity show. Now the ChatGPT store is, it's about to launch. So let's talk about if there are cybersecurity concerns. Without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So a new kind of app store for ChatGPT may expose users to malicious bots and legitimate ones that siphon their data to insecure external locales. ChatGPT's fast rise in popularity, combined with the open source accessibility of the early GPT models, widespread jailbreaks, and even more creative workarounds led to a proliferation of custom GPT models, legitimate and malicious, in 2023. Until now, they were shared and enjoyed by individual tinkerers scattered around different corners of the internet. The GPT store launched yesterday allows OpenAI subscribers to discover and create custom bots, simply GPTs, in one place. But being under OpenAI's umbrella doesn't necessarily mean that these will provide the same levels of security and data privacy that the original ChatGPT does. So we have a statement. So the statement goes, it was one thing when your data was going to OpenAI, but now you're expanding into a third-party ecosystem, warns Alice Stair, who's the CEO of Harmonic Security, who wrote a blog post on the subject January 10th of this year. It basically says, where does your data end up? Who knows at this point, right? And do you know if you're required to put a credit card in this store? Please let me know. So it looks and acts like ChatGPT, but not ChatGPT. OpenAI has not escaped its fair share of security incidents, but the walled garden of ChatGPT inspires confidence for users who like sharing personal information with robots. The user interface for GPTs from the GPT store is the same as that of the proprietary model. This benefit to user experience, though, is potentially deceptive where security is concerned. Patterson was playing around with it yesterday for a little while. It's like interacting with ChatGPT as usual. It's the same wrapper, but actually data you're putting into that interface can be sent to any third party out there. With any particular usage in mind, what are they going to do with that data? Once it's gone, it's completely up to them. So not all your data is accessible to the third-party developers of these bots. As OpenAI clarifies in its data privacy facts, chats themselves will largely be protected for the time being. Builders will not have access to specific conversations with their GPTs to ensure user privacy. However, OpenAI is considering future features that would provide builders with analytics and feedback mechanisms to improve their GPTs without compromising privacy. Supposedly that is a statement. Let me know if you believe that.
That answer is incorrect.
API integrated functionalities are a different story though, as this involves sharing parts of your chats with the third-party provider of the API, which is not subject to OpenAI's privacy and security commitments. Builders of GPTs can specify the APIs to be called. Now, OpenAI does not independently verify the API provider's privacy and security practices. Only use APIs if you trust the provider. Here's another point that I believe we have to consider. More apps, more problems. So OpenAI isn't the first company with an app store. Whether it controls are as stringent of those like Apple, Google, and others, though, is a question. In the 2 months since OpenAI introduced customizable GPTs, the company claims community members have already created more than, wait for it, 3 million new bots. It seems like a very lightweight verification process for getting an app on the marketplace, was a statement, Patterson says. So someone told Dark Reading that this is a statement, to help ensure GPTs adhere to our policies, we've established a new review system in addition to the existing safety measures we've built into products. This review process includes both human and automated review. Users are also able to report GPTs. So please let me know what you think about this story in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button, please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.